Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Darisa's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, luxury to lifestyle. And as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a Gucci unboxing, kind of. We'll get into that in a minute. Before we get started though, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you have not hit the notification bell yet, make sure you go ahead and hit that bell as well. And of course, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you are commenting and sharing this video, because of course, that's how I want to continue to just grow and get my numbers up. And I love to see when you guys are interacting with me, because I just like to know what types of videos you guys want to keep seeing. So without further ado, we're going to just go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay guys, so yeah, today is not my usual unboxing day, but I want to come on here just real quickly and show you what I got. I'll actually be doing some traveling within the next week, and I bought something from Gucci that I have been eyeing for a really long time, and I'm just really excited that I was able to finally get my hands on this item. Now I did open it because sometimes trying to unbox it on camera is it doesn't always go as expected. So I'm like, let me just go ahead and just do the first initial unboxing off camera just to make this a little easier, and then I'll come on here and do the official unboxing with you guys. So here we go. So it comes wrapped, well, it had a ribbon on it, and guys, to be honest, I just didn't even feel like putting that ribbon back on. It was really cute though. So, you know, Gucci always does the most. This item, honestly, is probably not even what you think. You can tell by the title, you know what it is. But yeah, so I went ahead and I purchased if I can get this open, and it comes wrapped in the tissue paper. It says Gucci here. Go ahead and take them out. Okay, so these are the Gucci Lame socks. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's fall. I wanted to add a designer pair of socks to my collection. I've been doing a lot of wearing of loafers. So my first impressions on these are, whoa, I had no idea these socks were gonna be this long. So I'm not sure how that's honestly going to end up working out, and I'll probably do a video coming back styling these and giving my actual real true first impressions. But I purchased these in a size large. I got them directly from the Gucci site, and they are still available. But from what I've been noticing, Gucci, they change their inventory a lot. They're not as consistent with their inventory as like a Louis Vuitton that kind of just keeps the same pieces for the most part. I don't know, I feel like Gucci does a lot of switching in and out, especially between seasons. So I can't even honestly say that this particular item will still be available, but I will definitely link it down below, because as of right now it is, and they have seemed to be available for quite some time, but I don't know with Gucci. But yeah, so they retailed for, let me see, because the envelope comes in here. I honestly forgot. They were a little pricey for some socks, to be quite honest. So yeah, you get the little envelope with it, with the return label on the inside if you want to return it. You do have 30 days, it says. Oh, I thought a receipt was in here. Never mind. How much? These were, I believe, $155 US. So if you want to make the splurge on those, I mean, I feel like I'm going to get a lot of wearing out of them. I don't generally buy super expensive socks, so let me go ahead and preface this by saying that I just wanted to get something because I knew I would be traveling. I think they would be perfect for like the airport, you know, when you're just wearing a loafer, but you want to have something cute that kind of stands out, but not really overdo it. So I love that. I love the fact that they're that pretty pink color because as you guys, if you've been following the fall trends, you guys will see that just pops of color are really in for the fall 2020 season. So that's why I chose that color. And overall, the experience just ordering was great. I did have a little minor hiccup because I live in an apartment and the leasing agent signed for my package but didn't bring it to my door. So there was this whole thing where I thought I had lost the package, but that was again an error on my end, not theirs, because indeed it was not lost. It was more so just a miscommunication issue. So that's the only thing that I would say happened as far as that goes. But this is my second Gucci purchase that I've got directly from the site. And again, my experience so far has been great. Turnaround time was a little longer this time. I want to say it took about a week for them to get here. So if it's something that you need right away, you may want to go in store if you have a local boutique in your area. But other than that, I mean, that's pretty much it. So let me know in the comments, if you own a pair of Gucci socks, if you plan on purchasing some, or if you just have any feedback that you guys want to give me. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.